What to use for home defense? Birdshot, number 5 shot, double aught buck, 9 pellet, 1 ounce rifled slug. What to use? Well, these are your tried and true methods. This is birdshot. I knock this a lot, but I wouldn't want to get shot with it. And for stopping power, recoil, and everything else that you're going to get out of that, you just straight go right to this. Because this fucker right here kicks way harder than this one. So I would either stick with double aught buck or slugs, what our military uses, and not play with little pellet gunshot, or just get an AR-15. That's all. Thank you for watching.